let us introduce you to a recent project, a complete apartment renovation. Here's a look at the old kitchen. Stylistically, it was an outdated look, and everything felt cramped. A TV hangs right above the countertop, looking disconnected and out of place. It simply doesn't work. Now, the kitchen has been fully renovated from the ground up, and at the heart of this new design is the AVEL 240KS TV. This 24-inch Full HD model is built to be installed right inside the cabinet door, saving valuable counter space and creating a seamless built-in look. It's protected by durable tempered glass with an IP65 rating, meaning it's perfectly safe from the steam, heat and splashes of a busy kitchen, even near the sink or stove. Let's take a look at the before and after. A completely different look and feel, wouldn't you agree? If you're thinking of renovating your kitchen space, AVEL televisions fit perfectly into any design idea. An AVEL TV saves space and adds a touch of modern intelligence to your home. See the transformation for yourself.